Go to Ambervert, the BS is cut like Cam and Chuck. Yo, I'm about to react to Savannah Dexter. I don't open up official music video. In the parentheses, we're about to get into it. We ain't gonna waste too much time. We're gonna see what my sis Savannah Dexter is coming with on this beat. You dick, let's get it. Let's see what she coming with.
Oh my god, do you remember Savannah from high school?
I feel like this gonna be about. Yeah. I feel like this will have. I feel like this will have substance in it for sure. I feel like this is gonna be a real one right here. This is gonna be a real one.
Remember Savannah from high school? Dexter? Yeah.
So are these her old friends right here? Like they're like, I mean they're the actresses or whatever. They're playing the roles of her old friends from high school or whatever. Like, hold on. That's my assumption. You feel me? That's my assumption, man. I haven't watched this yet.
Yeah. Right, best friend. Look at her page. Look at how she went from like 1,200 followers like last month to 78,000. And
yeah, they big jelly. They envious, bro. They coming with that envy. They coming with that jealousy. You dig? They hate. Yeah, hey, yeah, that's crazy, bro. Hold up. Yeah, they.
Yeah. Right, best friend. Look at her page. Look at how she went from like 1,200 followers like last month to 78,000. And
yeah, she happy, bro. Savannah happier than that thing. That's what's up, bro. Big ups to Savannah, man. Big ups to the sis, man.
Right, best friend. Look at her page. Look at how she went from like 1,200 followers like last
month
to
Asian.
78,000. And her music, her rap. Have you heard it? Literally nails her tongue.
I couldn't make out what she was saying right there. I ain't gonna lie, they attractive though. Both of them are attractive. I can't even front on that. I can't even front on that. You dig?
Literally nails her tongue. Okay, like you couldn't pay me to listen to that. How? I don't even remember her rap. I don't know, but you see how she's coming up? She forgot all about us. Like we're nothing, and we wrote for her when she was nothing.
That's crazy, bro. Like they coming with like that entitlement, like, you know what I'm saying? Like they saying she changed and all that. Like, it's not that she changed. It's like, what? In the words of my man Lim, bro, one of the illest reactors, one of the illest people on this platform, bro. In the words of Lim, bro, it's not that I changed. It's damn, I forgot what he said. I forgot the whole thing he said. But yeah, bro, like it ain't like, yeah, we didn't change. Like we just like, it's like y'all like, yeah, bro.
Okay, like you couldn't pay me to listen to that. How?
Y'all wasn't really real, you know what I'm saying? Y'all on that, like y'all wasn't real, bro. Y'all were not real, bro.
78,000. And her music, her rap. Have you heard it? Literally nails her tongue. Okay, like you couldn't pay me to listen to that. How? I don't even remember her rap. I don't know, but you see how she's coming up and she forgot all about us? Like we're nothing, and we wrote for her when she was nothing. I remember that girl. I gotta go, girl. Have you heard it?
It looked like they might, I think they're at a club or a bar or a lounge maybe.
I don't know, but you see how she's coming up and she forgot all about us? Like we're nothing, and we wrote for her when she was nothing. I remember that girl. I gotta go, girl.
That's crazy, bro. Shout out to Ghost, man. Yeah. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah. Surgery, bro? I don't open up. That's a bar, bro. That's a bar. She about to do surgery, son? Or not? Nah, probably not surgery. Probably like she finna kill her. You feel me? Like on some like murder type shit, not surgery. Yeah. But that title is a bar though. Like I don't open up. Like I don't open up about what I go through or like about my problems and stuff like that. That's a bar.
The ones that do wrong think they always right. Jealousy and envy brought a lot of spite. I guess that's why we always fight. I thought we was good, so
Uh,
I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own.
uh,
Got the nerve to
yo,
question.
yo, hey, I had tweeted something. What was that? Yesterday or something? I think it was it. I think it was yesterday. I tweeted, I'd rather be alone than be with goofies, man. That's facts, bro. Like, I I'd rather be alone than be with goofies, man. That's facts,
Oh,
bro.
we was cool, so why you have to do me wrong? Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. For giving you a hug, ain't no coming back from that. This
What
ain't
she
how
said, a knife in my back, like that. You backstabbed me, you betrayed me. You were a traitor. You were on that traitorism list, bro. Cold shoulder, you ignored me. You gave me the cold shoulder. You feel me? Her singing is nasty, bro. Like it's not bad. It's not. Yeah.
I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. For giving you a hug, ain't no coming back from that. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up. I don't understand our relationship. Knew that you were two-faced, and one day I'd be faced with this. Trusting you.
Yeah, two-faced, like you wishy-washy, you fake. Like, you switch up. Yeah, bro, this is fire, bro. So far, this is fire. Daggers in my back, yep. Betrayal.
Knew that you were two-faced, and one day I'd be faced with this. Trusting you has got my heart locked inside this cage again. Loving you's a mistake that I don't wanna make again. Start a fire, just a fire, that's what liars do. Your only attribute is how you hide the truth. Told our friends they had to choose. They ain't wanna side with you. You always play the victim, bitch. There's something wrong inside of you. We was cool, so why you have to do me wrong? Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. For giving you a
Yeah, murder. Ain't no surgery. It's murder, bro. Yeah, so I was right. I was tripping when I said surgery, though. But that title was a bar, though. She gonna open you up when she, bro. You gonna be dead. She gonna take your organs out, bro. Like, yeah, it's crazy, bro. Your body gonna be opened up, bro. I even tell you.
I'm the one you left in the dark. You give me hell, stuck in the flames. All I got left is a shell of a heart. We fell apart, the knife in my back left a hell of a mark. Hell of a scar, hell of a guard. Fuck you forever, wherever you are. Thought we was cool, so why you have to do me wrong? Gave me the cold shoulder, we no longer get along. I ain't even stressing, I do better on my own. You got the nerve to question why you all up in this song. I give you my love, you put daggers in my back. For giving you a hug, ain't no coming back from that. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up. I don't open up. This ain't how it is, and that ain't how it was. It's too broken to fix, that's why I don't open up. I don't open up.
Yeah. Hey, bro, yeah. She happy, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up right there, bro. Like, I'm happy for her, man. Yeah. If y'all like that joint, comment, share, subscribe, show love, tell her Diva the Amberverse sent you. Let me know what y'all thought about the bars, the hook, the video, everything, man. Yeah, it's man, bro. Hey, that's real. This is a very relatable song. Like, betrayal, turning it, like people be turning their back on you, bro. Like, like a lot of people in this world, they are not official, bro. They not official. They not thoroughbred. They not thorough. You know what I'm saying? They people be quick to turn on you, bro. People be quick to turn their backs on you, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? People, I don't, yeah, bro. You know what I mean? I've been betrayed, bro. Like, I don't. That's why I don't. You know what I mean? I don't deal with certain people no more, bro. Like, cause they not real, bro. They fake it. They fake it in that thing, bro. Like I thought they was cool for real. I thought they was real, but I thought they were real. I thought they rock with me, but they really didn't. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like people show like, I don't know, when people don't reciprocate, when people don't, like, you know what I'm saying, give, like, when it's not mutual, when stuff is not, you know what I'm saying, when stuff is lopsided, when it's one sided, when people, like, you know what I mean, people say one thing and they don't mean what they say. Like, it's whack. It's whack to the max. It's whack-ola. It's whack sauce, bro. Yo, like, people who be on that goofy stuff, you just gotta separate yourself from, bro. And you gotta be around real people, bro. And that, like, I'm like, there are people who I've only known for like a year. You know what I'm saying? A year or 2 years that are more thoroughbred, more official than people I've known for 10 years, 15, 20 years. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. Like, that's facts, bro. Like, they say the people closest to you will hurt you the most. That's not cap. You feel me? That's real. You know what I'm saying? And that's sad. It's the sad reality. But yeah, bro, I'm about to get up out of here, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. I'm about to get up out of here. I appreciate and love y'all. One love to the family of DTA. Elevation 14, no GTA, man. Savannah, keep doing your thing, bro. You went in on this. I'm gone.